Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the help section on the Rush Royale application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. Click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings section. Here you can find the last option, the help button. Click that and you can find different information about the payment and how to use this app and more. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.